Okay, what's up everybody? We have yet another unboxing video. I have here 4 containers because I'm expecting at least 4 Bettas this time. Not 24, so this is going to be a very small shipment. I also ordered 6 guppies from Tucky's Bettas. Her guppies are always really good. So these are going to be from Thailand, at least for the Bettas. And then the guppies is going to be from Tucky, and I don't know where she imports her guppies from, but you know, that's what I'm expecting today. Hopefully, you know, I get more. Hopefully, I don't know. I have no idea. I don't even know what Bettas are in here. You would think only 4, I should know, but these 4 are from a previous order and the sellers just shipped it a little late. So we're gonna get right into it. Of course, as you can see here, this has passed the Department of Ag. So they open the box, they inspect the contents to make sure that all the fish in here are legal to be imported into Hawaii, and then they tape it up, give it to UPS, and that's it. So let's stop talking and start opening this box so that we can see what's in here. So as you open the box, you can see it's nicely packed. On the very first top, I already know how she packs it. There's going to have foam. This foam is for insulation. This is a heat pack over here. Now the reason, I'm in Hawaii, so it's not really that cold. It's actually pretty warm. But in California is where the temperature there is like at about 40 degrees. So that's why there's a heat pack in there. All right, so we have a lot more insulation in here around the box. And then we have the newspaper to keep the fish from moving around. I ordered within the United States from one of the sellers in the United States, so I didn't import internationally at that time. And the seller just put a fish bag in the box, no insulation, nothing, sent it to me. The fish bag was leaking, the box was all wet. And you know, the bad thing about that is UPS one day might say, we're not importing fish anymore because the water leaked on all our customers' boxes, and then all of a sudden, you know, we can't get fish. So everything's in this plastic bag over here, and everything's insulated with newspaper and foam. First bag. This is a male Dumbo red tail guppy. I love Dumbos, if you guys already don't know that. I'm hoping I can get a focus on this camera here. Okay, so this guppy is alive, so that's good news. I'm gonna leave that guppy there. The guppies I'm probably just gonna put in a quarantine tank after I temperature acclimate them. I may drip acclimate them. You know what? That's probably what I'll do. They're a little bit more sensitive. Ooh, this is a really nice male Santa guppy. Again, this is from Tucky's Bettas. So if anything, if you want to go check it out, I'll leave a link to her site in the description down below. Next up, we have the female guppy. Okay. Next up, we have another female Dumbo red tail. Okay. And then we have probably more female Dumbo guppies in here. We sure do. Female Santa. That looks good. Just like that. If I can breed these guys, it would be just awesome. I love these fish. They're amazing. Okay, and a female Santa, another one. Doesn't look like it, but a lot of times they don't anyway. All right, so that's all the guppies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now for the Bettas. Okay, so first up, this time I have to kind of document it because I think I was missing fishes in my last shipment. I don't know what the deal was with that, but okay, so this one is Fancy Male. Okay. This is from Charmaine. Ah, okay, interesting. So, there was some communication issue, not with this seller, but for a different one. So let me just, if you guys don't know, whenever you cut open a bag, especially internationally, they really fill it up with air, which is a good thing, but it also is a bad thing if it shoots in your face as you open it up. All right, this is a beauty. I like this guy. Let's see if we can grab focus on him. Would be nice. Okay. Not too much water in there, but don't worry. Acclimation process will start once all the unboxing is done. So this one is from another seller in Thailand. This is a half moon betta. Okay. Let me open this guy up. Yep, and we only got 4. Thank goodness. Not like last video. Oh, this is a nice one. This is why a lot of times I don't like to expect stuff, because I like it to be a surprise. All right. This, 2 more, and then we're done. Fast video, this one. This is from Charmaine again. I don't even know if I'm saying it right. Charming, whatever. This one is a white Dumbo male. You know me and my Dumbos. Nice and alive. Very beautiful fish. See if we can grab focus. Okay. And then last but not least, oh, looks like this one's leaking. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is it still alive? I don't know. It's in this gold packaging that sellers do to keep the fish calm. But we'll see. Oh, she's alive. I know what this is. Oh, she's spunky too. Look at that. Wow. That here is a female samurai. I have 2 male samurais, needed a female, and there she is. All right, so let me get started on acclimation for these fish here. It's not too many this time around, so I can do it properly. Thank you very much. If Tucky is watching this video, thank you, Tucky, for always supporting and sending my fish in all healthy and all good. Mike, if you're watching this video, thank you very much. Mike is the UPS driver. UPS is always busy, and he always takes care of my fish, so it's always good. So thank you very much, Mike, for that. And to all the sellers, especially Tucky and her guppies, and to all the Indonesian sellers, the Thailand sellers, for sending me fish that are alive and healthy. That'll be it for this video. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Please like and share, because it will help. Obviously, this is a brand new channel with only like 1 or 2 subscribers. So hopefully you can do me that solid, and I'll check you out in the next one. All right.